last day of celebration. This Beach Fest 2008 in St. Francis of Assisi. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Danilo Pipit Jr.
My cute and chubby co-host for today's event. And I'm Nina Alvarez.
The sexiest person in the world. Okay, how much for that? I know that all excited because today is the day that we're all been waiting for. We, the MCs, will call the speaker randomly or intentionally.
Yes, so excited. And I know that the speakers are now nervous. Oh, too much for that. Let us now proceed to our first speaker.
She's beautiful, young lady, and the ideal kind of girl. Please help us welcome Jiraiya Mayballo.
Our beloved teacher, Mrs. Manuel, my fellow classmates, Dr. Lee. A word in the Shakespeare said, I'd rather have a fool to make me marry than experience to make me sad. The word experience is I feel that this award is our getting hero to myself. This award, I feel the smell of the human spirit and release the love. I would like you to stay without thank you for having this award. I make to listen to anyone here. I'd like to present the first question with me for a year. But before anything else, I'd like to ask you a question. If someone is giving you an award, how do you feel in receiving it? Definitely, you're correct. But in my case, I can't feel my emotions. Especially receiving the award, the crowd are watching you. And above all, I'd like to thank Almighty God for giving me the strength and the opportunity that I may be able to show my talent. To my family, who has been with me during my ups and downs. To my friends who are always there whenever I need them. And to my fans who are very supporting. My dance instructor who is teaching me a beautiful dance, and to my paparazzi out there. Thank you for making me well known to everyone. Once again, thank you very much.